Hi, I'm Johnny with upfitsupply.com, and today we are checking out these Legend SecuriLocks. Now, what's nice about the locks that we have installed on this ProMaster is that they are the either deadlock or slam lock version, which means you can have it in deadlock mode, which means you can be opening and closing your door all day long. It's not going to lock you out. Let's say you're in and out of your van all day at the work site, so you kind of keep it unlocked so you're able to open and close without worrying about having your key on you every time. Otherwise, you can have it in slam lock mode, which means every time you shut this door, it's going to be locked, keeping everything inside safe and secure. Legend provides you with 2 keys per lock. Right now, we have the cargo van in slam lock, which means we can open the door after I've just unlocked it. And then once we shut it, it's going to engage right here, and the cargo van is locked and secure. Not able to get it until you insert the key, open it up, and you can access your van. Now, if I shut it, locked, nice and secure. The SecuriLock by Legend has been proven to be one of the most secure cargo van locks. So we recommend definitely checking these out when considering security for your cargo van. They're available in 1, 2, 3, or 4 lock kits. They're gonna come with keys. If you order them in the 2, 3, or 4 version, all of the locks will be keyed alike. Another great feature is that this is a universal lock that's going to fit just about every single cargo van and has vehicle-specific instructions for the installation. Includes all the hardware needed and necessary to install and goes together pretty quickly. Now, you can find security products like this SecuriLock for your cargo van or for your work truck at upfitsupply.com.